I found this panel at Hobby Lobby for $4.50 in the clearance section. You really want to keep an eye on your clearance. We're going to be using tissue paper from Royce Cycled called Farmhouse Projects. And I'm going to cut out the cow section. You can choose any one you want, and it fits almost perfectly into my panel. I'm going to decoupage this to the galvanized portion using our 1 hour enamel clear. You can find both the tissue paper and the 1 hour enamel clear at chocolatefancy.com. I'm going to apply down my 1 hour enamel. I'm going to lay my tissue paper down. And then I'm going to lift the top portion, add my 1 hour enamel clear, and lift the paper down. I am using a Gen foam brush. And guys, don't get stuck on the fact that I have this particular panel. You could use a baking sheet, anything that's metal. And I know Hobby Lobby has other panels similar to this. I'm going to put down my saran wrap and use my brayer. You can get these brayers at chocolatefancy.com. They really just help to make sure that your tissue is making full contact with your project, and it also helps remove some of the wrinkles. Then I'm going to do my final coat of 1 hour enamel clear. I decided to leave my panel with the raw wood, and I'm going to allow this to dry. I found these little wooden animals also at Hobby Lobby. They were something like 50 cents each. And I'm going to take the leftover bottom portion in the striped paper at the bottom of this Farmhouse Projects, and I'm going to decoupage them to my little animals, which is the cow, the chicken, and the pig. Also using the 1 hour enamel clear, the saran wrap, the brayer. I kind of did it all in one sheet, and then I allowed it to dry. I did separate them prior to drying. And you want to do your final coat of the 1 hour enamel clear. Once dry, I took some sandpaper and I just went through and sanded off the edges of this excess paper on each of the animals. And once that was all done, I glued a magnet to the back of each of the animals. I found this windmill at the Dollar Tree. I disassembled it till I just had the windmill part. I had to re-glue the center portion with E6000. And then I'm going to spray paint it in the chalked in linen white, and then glue it to the bottom of my panel with the E6000 and hot glue. I then took some black paint and went around the edges and distressed my windmill just a touch. You can now put your animals at the top portion of the board, and now it becomes a nice memo board. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chocolatefancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chocolatefancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.